Alright, this next part I'm going to explain how to use all these scripts that I've made over time. First one, most time-saving one in my opinion, is export PDFs all at once using Python. All the layouts in this layout pane will be exported, so this must be clean and you must be intentional with your layout creation or clean up your project if you want to use this, but it works well if you have this all set up nicely. So assume all 5 of these layouts are finished and ready for export. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to View, Python window. This will come up. Let's right click that, load code, and I'm going to just direct it to, oops, this right here. Assume this is going to be in the G drive, this folder, scripts and custom tool documentation. Go there and you'll see a .py, a Python file called batch PDF export script. Let's press OK, and it will load this, and the reason it hasn't executed yet is because of this right here, which is just my simple comment. Let's delete it out. One thing we need to change is this right here, which is your file pathway export. So I'm just going to do something on my drive, or it won't work. So say this is full pathway right here. First, press enter. Oh, I guess, yeah, there it goes. What is that, 5 seconds to export 5 figures? Do that one by one and compare it. Everyone should be using that.